Hi guys, welcome to Module 6, Part 2. We are going to still continue talking about working with families. However, we're going to shift gears a little bit to talk about parent engagement and family engagement as well. I think that what's really important to understand this week is how we can really help foster the connections between school and home. And we do that through various ways, by supporting parent volunteers or family volunteers, by having resource libraries on site at our centers, and engaging families with those connections. Some of the things that we're going to talk about this week is communication in the form of newsletters, letters, and daily news flashes, but we're also talking about how could you bring things from the classroom into the home, like with backpacks, traveling backpacks. And this is really important because we know that a parent or a family member is usually a child's first school. And additionally, when families are engaged with the school process, outcomes are better for children overall. However, that being said, I think we know that this is hard and it's not really always easy to do, but it's still very important that you try and foster this connection with families. At our Zoom meeting this week, we're going to be doing a simulator from the Office of Head Start. We're actually going to practice goal setting and communicating with a family member. It's a really helpful activity. It's kind of like a choose your own adventure thing, and it can be useful in terms of practicing communicating with families. And your homework for this week is you are going to write competency statement 4, and this competency statement is going to be on working with families and how you will work to establish positive and productive relationships. You have a discussion question where you're going to discuss some strategies that you use or you could potentially use to support parent and family engagement. And then you have a resource collection 4, which is your family resource guide due this week. Historically, this assignment causes confusion. I've included another video that you can watch that walks you through how to fill out this guide. The important things to note is that any resource that you're listing on this family resource guide should be in the Denver metro area or Texas, wherever you are at. And that when you do the last part, you need to be describing websites that families can use to access information about child development, and then print 3 articles from those websites. So again, watch the video that I created on it. This activity generally does cause some confusion, but I'm always around if you have questions. And then you need to complete your Check Your Knowledge for Module 6. And then we'll be moving on to Module 7 next week. We are almost done, only 4 more weeks. All right, reach out if you guys have any questions. I'll talk to you guys on Tuesday.